All right, welcome back to another live trading session. It's Thursday, July 23rd, and I already marked up. Markup session is online on YouTube, and the session is going to start in 10 seconds here. Today is not a great day. We also now took out the 4-hour relative equal lows here. So either we're gonna get really fucking heavy and go for the hourly trend liquidity or daily trend liquidity down here, which I don't expect because we have daily and weekly support. What I do expect to happen is we take out sell side, which now happened, and then my only target is up here with the buy side. We also have open range gap very strong, meaning the upside is also limited to maximum here in the hourly CE, but my draw is definitely the relative equal highs here, the lower quadrant of the opening range gap, and the 50 minutes to be in here. That's my main target area here. So let's see what happens, shall we? Doesn't make sense now. Range gap situation, very strong. Let's see. Sell side already taken out. Valid Judas. So now we're looking for longs into 15-min Sibi and open range gap lower quadrant. All right, on the 5-minute. So this is also entirely against the lower time frame trend, so we really have to be cautious today, right? Because we also have a 5-minute in here, so we cannot just, if that breaks to the upside, we cannot just enter on the 1 minute and long immediately, because we have that 5-minute, which will probably push us down a little bit still. So we have to wait for a bit more, maybe like a change of character to the upside or something like that. I'm gonna be very cautious today. I'm not gonna jump the gun on anything, and if that just rallies up immediately up here, then I'm done for the day if I will not be able to enter. But just because the 1 minute changes direction here doesn't tell us that we are already going for the mitigation up here, and we have a bit of space, so we can wait a bit longer. So let's wait for that to happen. Can already place our tool here though. Let's mark the CE of this one. Oh, that's the 15-minute. My fault. I was watching the 15-minute, so that's a 15-minute gap here, not a 5-minute. On the 5-minute, we do have this one here. That's our 5-minute gap. All right. So now we mitigated the 5-minute. So this is a 15-minute. So we have to be even more cautious about that. Because it could just, go into the CE and then go lower. Might just be the case. So we have to be a bit more aware of that today. So also took a 90-minute low. Let's see, 15-minute. We also have a new 15-minute gap here. Boom. Check out the 5-minute. Okay, 5-minute is irrelevant. All right. Doesn't make sense now. Let me listen to some music here. What shall we listen to today? Let's do some chill. Cruise. The Resistance. Yeah, some chill Drake is always nice. You are invited. All right. Do. All right, we're going higher. We could enter with the first AM here as soon as that forms. $129. $750. So here that would be $750. Let's see. Okay, that would be the first AM, but I'm gonna wait here because that could just be, 15-minute mitigation and we're going lower. So I'm still gonna wait. I really don't like that yet. Because on the 5-minute, we also respected the SIBI in here, right? Protected. I could also see myself entering based on a 5-minute. If we invert that in 3 minutes and not yet take out that one up here, obviously. But it looks like that will work out. But, that was too low probability for me to take, to be honest. I didn't like that. All right, first target hit. So this one will be the new 5-minute BISC. Okay, now we're getting strong. So we might just, straight go up in here and then I'd probably be done for the day already. Yo. Okay, 1 more minute. Let's see if we invert that. Then I might look to enter into that. Wait, how much was that? 750. $30 seconds. The thing is, it could also just, you know, have taken out this sell side, buy side, and then just continue to the downside. So I'm really, I don't know if it will actually go for the, you know, for the CE mitigation here. That's the scary thing here right now. So I'm probably just gonna have that here for now. Believe in luck. Oh, nice so buffet. And we start like CEO. But I never walked in. But I got out of it. Again, these are not conditions where you would trade a live account, you know. Although now that I think of it, this 1 minute was pretty valid, you know, because we took out the sell side, so this was the Judas, and then we went up. Yes, 5 minute, 50 minute were still SIBIs, but the drop here was pretty clean, and we took out the 4-hour sell side, so it was pretty obvious that we would go up here. So we could have definitely taken that one here. A bit pissed about that, but that's okay. It's not A plus, you know. It's a good idea, but it's totally fine if we can't get that. So let's see. I'd actually be proud if we, you know, hit this one and the low quadrant, because that was exactly what I outlined. And sometimes that's enough, you know, just to be right but not make money. That's fine. But it looks really good. Little baby. My girlfriend, I need to tell each other everything. And I went and bought a diamond rings. There we go. Target hit. 50-minute SIBI filled. Let's see if it hits the lower quadrant, and then I'm already done for the day. Damn, that was quick. Damn, bro. Now I'm low-key pissed that I didn't enter on that. Fuck. It's cool though. It's fine. Yeah. So, as you will see in the markup session, that's exactly what I called for the market. We took out 4 lows, 90-minute low, and then reversal into this one, and maybe if it gets really aggressive, it could look for these levels up here, but I'm not here to trade that. So I'm gonna end that here today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.